Hi everyone, it's Mary with Happy Pines Soap. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make a mantra swirl. This is a gorgeous design. I absolutely love it. Feel free to hit that subscribe button because I will be releasing new tutorials on a weekly basis. Okay, so I have my hard oils here. They're all weighed out and ready to be melted. I also am using colloidal oatmeal. This will be added to my soft oils. So those are the ones that are liquid at room temperature, and I blended it. And then we also are going with bergamot black tea from Brambleberry. Our colors today are sour lemons from Mad Micas. This is a beautiful yellow color that stays true. Ectoplasm is the next one from Mad Micas. This is an amazing, vibrant, almost like Kelly green. It's brand new. Steelworks is the black color, also from Mad Micas. This one I love using because it's extremely easy to use instead of charcoal. And as you see, I have all my oils melted here, the hard ones. And I'm going to be adding the soft oils now that have been pre-blended with the colloidal oatmeal. The lye solution is approximately 84 degrees, and our warm oils are about 100 degrees. Go ahead and burp your stick blender. Basically, you'll just tap it gently before you start blending. And this time I stick blended for about 10 seconds. And then I paused to check for emulsion and blended it for another 10 seconds. Okay, I have the batter split into 3 equal portions, and I'm adding the pre-mixed micas and stirring them gently by hand as well until they're nicely blended. Each of these 3 colors is 1 pound of soap, and for each 1 pound of soap, you're essentially having 1 teaspoon of mica to that 1 tablespoon of lightweight oil that it's blended with. Okay, we're ready for pouring. You want to hold the divider down and gently start pouring your first color. Go ahead and fill it most of the way up, but leave a little bit of room at the top. Go ahead and fill the second color to about the same level as the yellow color. And again, you're leaving a little bit of room at the top. Don't fill it all the way up. Okay, now you're ready to pull the dividers up. Go ahead and place them carefully in a bowl right next to you. Okay, hopefully you have left a little bit of soap in all of your containers. This is to finish off the tops and make them nice and neat. And also you're going to gently pour up to the top of your mold as well. Okay, we're ready to start our mantra swirl. You're going to start in the middle color, and basically you will be making figure eights carefully all the way across your mold. My dowel, or the wooden stick that I'm using here, does go all the way to the bottom of the soap mold, and essentially I'm dragging it along the bottom as I make these figure eights. When you are done swirling, you can go ahead and put it in a warm oven. I heat my oven to 170 degrees and then I turn it off. I put the soap in and turn the oven light on, and I leave it in the oven to oven process for 3 hours. I waited until the next morning to take it out of the mold. I love how oven processing deepens the colors. For this design, you will cut your soap basically into 3 separate and equal portions. So go ahead and measure the length and then divide it by 3. And basically, instead of cutting down the top to the bottom like you see me doing it here, the design that you already see is the actual bar of soap. So what we're instead going to do is turn it sideways and actually cut it into separate bars that way. So I will get 3 1-inch bars out of each 1/3 of the larger soap mold. Last but not least, I like to use a simple vegetable peeler to bevel the edges of my soap. It cleans it up really nice and makes them look more professional. This particular vegetable peeler is from IKEA. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all of your support. If you would like to see more soaping videos, please do leave a like or subscribe. I love any comments or suggestions. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.